Over 500 million people searched how to make money online last year, but less than 10% of them actually stuck with it long enough to earn anything real. You know why? Because most people are stuck chasing trends instead of building systems. But today, I'm going to show you the system that helped me, a busy mom juggling life, kids, and a full plate, start earning consistent income online, all from one simple platform. And break down how this tool can set you up for real recurring income before 2026 even hits. Hey, Glow Squad, it's Jordan E here. And I know that I said I was going to participate more in Blogtober, but I got a little caught up with things behind the scenes and just building out these systems and automations because I really want to focus on that going into 2026 to make it as accessible to you as possible so you can hit the ground running and be able to implement this and give yourself a crash course into automation so you can see how you can also apply it to your business. When I first started earning money online, it was really just to get some extra money in my pocket. But then life had other plans, and I ended up having a son with special needs. So then I had to use those skills of online business to actually create something sustainable for myself where I could detach my time from my income, which means I could create content or promote offers and be able to set up systems and structures that could run on autopilot once I got leads into my system. And you can do it too. That's why I'm sharing this system in this video. With all the unknown questions I had to do with my son and just setting up my life for that, it just made me really think about what I could do. So, of course, I did like most people, and I got to Googling different online businesses and started doing research to find different things that could work into my lifestyle. In the past, I had done a drop shipping business, which did show me that yes, you can create a product that you don't have to have the inventory for. You can send traffic to a website and earn money. However, I didn't like the headache of if a vendor ran out of a product or just say it was something wrong with the delivery because you're still dealing with physical products. So I wanted to look more into digital products that I could sell because once you create it, then it's already done and you can send it digitally so you can ensure that your customer receives what they have bought. So I really love that just to make my business even more just secure and stable without running the risk of people not getting their products or running out of a product and being on backlog and not being able to fulfill those orders. So I didn't want to have that stress of drop shipping. So that's why I pivoted and that wasn't the business for me. So after being burnt out from my drop shipping store and experience, I came across System.io a couple years ago and I saw that it was an all-in-one platform. And since I had been using multiple tools and just frustrated, it was just a breath of fresh air to find a system that had everything in one place. Now, of course, with anything new, now you have to learn that system and get used to the software. But I took that time investment to go through their course, learn everything within the system so I could be able to use it and enhance my business. And I have not looked back since. Now I recommend it to my community because it's a great starter, especially if you're beginning at business or if you're already established, it can grow with you. So I absolutely love the system. Here's the truth that nobody tells you about online business. Most people quit not because they can't make money, but because they can't keep up. So you're told to post daily, learn 5 different apps, build 10 funnels, pay for a ton of subscriptions, and it's exhausting. And if you're like me, balancing your children, your life, work, you just don't have that kind of time. But what if I told you that you don't need to hustle harder? You just need to build smarter. And that's where System.io comes in. It takes everything that used to take me 5 apps in 5 hours a day and brings it all under one roof. When I found System.io, I didn't believe it at first. I thought there's no way one platform can do all of this, the funnels, the email marketing, automations. You can even set up your own affiliate programs, run courses, and so much more. But then I tried it and it just blew my mind and it flipped the switch from chaos to clarity. I built my first funnel in under 30 minutes. It wasn't perfect, but it was mine. And for the first time, I saw how everything could connect. My funnel, which would capture my leads, my emails would be sent out automatically, and then sales would start coming in while I was just doing everyday things. And at that moment, I said, okay, this is it. This is how I can build something that works even when I don't. So fast forward to today, I've been earning money online for over 8 years, but recently, within the last couple of years, I've been able to use System.io as a foundation to keep my systems up and running. And not to mention, I've been able to earn money with System.io as well because they have an excellent referral and commission plan with their affiliates. So that's also a great thing about System.io. If you share the system and other people sign up through your link, then you would earn that monthly recurring commission. Or if they do the annual, you would get that annually, as long as they're signed up, of course. System.io is the foundation of everything I run now because once your system is set up, then you don't have to chase results. They come to you. So let me paint this picture for you. Just 10 annual signups can turn into over $1,000 a month in passive income. And that's what leverage is all about. Every funnel, every automation, every email is another little worker in your business, one that doesn't sleep, doesn't take breaks, and doesn't clock out. That's the power of System.io. It lets you multiply your effort without multiplying your hours. So, if you've ever said, I just don't have time to build an online business, then I'm here to tell you, you don't need time, you need a system. Let's talk about why this platform is the smartest business move you can make before 2026. System.io isn't just another shiny tool, it's your business hub, and you can build landing pages and funnels. You can send automated emails, create and sell digital products and physical products. You can track affiliate commissions and manage everything all from one dashboard. And here's the best part, is not $97 a month like most other tools. The starter plan is $17 a month or $170 for a year. And that plan gives you everything you need to start earning. So if you're thinking long term, like 2026 is around the corner, that means now is the time to set up, automate your system, and let your business run while you focus on life. Because the smartest move that you can make is the one that frees your time and builds your income. This is exactly why I created my 7-day freedom framework challenge. If you're on my email list already, then you know that we've been diving deep every day. I've been guiding you step by step from setting up your System.io account to your funnel tagging and getting everything up and running so that your funnel is working 24/7. And at the end of the challenge, I will even be giving out bonus to everyone who has participated. So your business can truly be hands free because this isn't about chasing income, it's about creating freedom. And if you miss this round, don't worry. I'm going to start another one at the beginning of December, and that'll be your next chance to join, learn, and build alongside our Glow Squad. Here's what I want you to take away from this video. You don't need to wait until 2026 to build your future. You can start today. All it takes is 1 hour a day, one decision, and one system that works while you sleep. So imagine this. You wake up, check your phone, and you see new subscribers. Your emails went out overnight. Your funnel is working. Your commissions are stacking. That's not luck. That's System.io doing the heavy lifting. So if you're ready to turn your 1 hour a day into income streams that run 24/7, then click the link, join my email list, and get started with the Freedom Framework Challenge. You'll get my complimentary 2-step funnel, my automation guide, and the same system I use every day because freedom doesn't start someday. It starts the day you decide to build it. So let's make 2026 the year of systems, not stress. Let's glow up, Glow Squad. Let's go build our freedom together. I will see you in the next video. Be blessed and have a great day.